Oh guys, what's going on? It's Nolan. Welcome back to Pizza Factory Tycoon. So I literally just recorded this, but we got so many customers and I just had to record it again. So, and this was a lot of fun. I never even left the game. So, we are earning a lot of cash right now. So, I totally forgot. There we go. Oh, you right click it. Got it. Okay, so, we got like 3 customers, so I was just like, oh, we gotta do this. Oh. So, we're getting a lot of happy customers, actually. We're almost at 12. So, he also wants a sausage pizza, 1 sausage pizza, coming right up. You want a you want a sausage pizza, too, also, so I will give you a sausage pizza, and then you want the sausage pizza as well. Ooh, we unlocked the, 15. We unlocked the strawberry milkshake. You would like, that, and then you would also like a sausage pizza. Let's actually grab 2 of these, just because 2 customers want it. Never mind, actually. There you go. Okay, so are we almost where we can buy a phone? Because it's just... Ooh, oh my god. These are my favorite. These are the only ones I actually get. Okay, we're almost at 20 happy customers. We can buy pretty much anything now. Because look at all this money we have. It's like, just whoa. So, I think we need a telephone to unlock. I'm not talking loud enough. I think we need a telephone to unlock the pizza motorcycle thingamajig, so yeah, we'll try to get that. 25 happy customers. That's a lot. Okay, you would like a strawberry milkshake. Our first strawberry milkshake customer. Coming right up. Right click. There we go. Can you also have... Oh, no one's ordered a cheese pizza in a while. There you go. Have a nice day, sir. Let's see who comes in next. We got 17 happy customers. We're almost at 20. And then we'll move up to 25. Where we can buy, what was it? We can buy the, we can buy the, chairs and tables. Okay, well, fair enough. Ooh, there's lights in here. Oh, that's much brighter. Thank you. Chocolate milkshake. You would like a chocolate milkshake. Okay. Ooh, someone hasn't ordered a chocolate milkshake yet. I'd love to get you a chocolate milkshake because that's my favorite too. Did you know that? Oh wait, sorry, chocolate milkshake. I gotta read the words. You would also like to have a cheese pizza. Wow, cheese pizza. It's getting popular. We're gonna have pepperoni pizzas very soon. Whoa, I got 2 happy customers from... Oh, we're at the level where we're getting 2 happy customers. That's amazing. Okay. So, almost there. Come on. Another customer. Hi. Can I just steal your bike? No? Okay. Ooh, I can get on that person's bike. I would just love that. I'd have so much fun. But I need to buy my own bike. Hello, sir. Let's see if we get 2 happy customers. So he would like a strawberry milkshake. Oh, I did that wrong. He would like a I did that wrong. He would like a strawberry milkshake. Oh, you don't right click. You just put it under. But you gotta get in like the exact right spot. Well, we have 2 chocolate milkshakes if anyone wants them. There you go. Oh! Try this. And we do get 2 happy customers. It's almost here. We can almost buy the phone. Soft drinks fridge. Pizza vehicle. We can get it! Oh my god. This is gonna be so much fun. I'm just gonna, ride around. Wait till we have a nice line. Ooh, ramp. Whoa! This is so much fun. Ooh. Hold on. Oh, wait, no. I thought that was someone's pizza factory. Get off. Oh. Get off of that. Should be hitting our customers. What is this? I'm doing. Alright, so we almost got the phone. Oh, wait, no, that's not the phone. The phone. Hi, okay, you would like a strawberry milkshake. Right away. There we go. And you could also have, oh, I predicted it, a sausage pizza. Oh, wait, is that? No, that's a sausage pizza. Okay. I know what a sausage pizza and pepperoni pizza look like. No one has to tell me. Hello, sir. Come in! Come in! Because I really need customers. Ooh, okay. You would like that? Oh! We can get 2 customers and get to 25 and we can buy those 2 things that we want. Okay, you would like a banana milkshake. Wow, I'm gonna have to press numbers like really far away from my hand. Can you also have sausage pizza? No one's done pepperoni pizza. It's very sad yet. There we go. I just heard a ding. I think that was my, whatever you call it. And we got that. Ooh, we unlocked Fanta and Cola. Our menu is really expanding. Wow, people can order a bunch of drinks now. We got a selection of drinks. We have $52,000. But we can't spend it on it. We can spend it on the things that are there, actually. There we go. 32 happy customers. Let's go with the phone first. Just, cheese pizza. Oh, of course, I don't need to... Trying to get rid of items in my inventory. No, an easier way to do this. Not many people know this, but you can actually put items. You actually have a Roblox inventory. Not many people know this, but you do. Oh, hello, guy. Okay, 26. Only gives you 1 now? Oh! When they order 2 things. Got it. When they order 2 things, you get 2 happy customers. So if they order 3 things, we get 3 happy customers. And if they order 1 billion things, we get 1 billion happy customers. No, I'm just kidding. Happy customers. Happy customers. Happy customers. Happy customers. We get 1 billion happy customers. Happy customers. That's fun to say. Just try it. Happy customers. Happy customers. Happy customers. Tongue twister. Happy customers. Sausage pizza, no problem, no problem. Would you like a drink? God, Brandon, man, do! Or do we have cups for them? We don't have cups for them. That's... Where do you get a cup? Oh, add cup. Makes sense. Well, okay, let's go spend some of this money out the back wait, no. Some sort of idiom or simile. Just spend this money. What I meant was go out the back door and spend this money. Ooh, what is this? Is this like a spork? It's a spork. Dropped a pencil. Hold on. Pencil emergency. Got it. What do you use it? Oh my god. You can turn a different color. It's a weapon! It's a weapon! That's so awesome. What's this? Oh! Whoa. Okay. This is something cool. I rode up the mountain! I rode up the mountain! Oh! I could just deliver pizzas like this. Whoa! Ooh, look at that. Good stuff right there. Ooh, this is so much fun. I love it. Are you trying to take my pizza cart? It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. Whoa! Can I get on the house? I want to get on the house. Oh my god, I'm having so much fun. You wanna know how much fun this is? And we go up here. Ooh! Ouch! Is that like water? It's water. It's nice and safe. Never mind. It's not nice and safe. We probably have like 20 customers. Oh wait, what happened? What happened to factory? Where did factory go? Oh, someone's at my door.
Hi, baby.
Alright. That's not... Where's our factory? Oh, wait. Our What happened? That's my factory. That's my factory, I think. I'm just blind, so... Yeah, that's my factory. Why did I spawn all the way over there? I thought my spawn point was, like, right here. I swear I first spawned. Or, it's over there. I don't know. Okay. I don't really know. Ooh, someone's ordering the... Ooh, someone's ordering the drinks. Of course. Would like some Mountain Dew. There you go. You would like a Coca-Cola. So that's filling. We'll get you a banana milkshake. And then we'll get you a cheese pizza. There you go. 29 happy customers. We'll get you your cola. And then you'll also want something else. You'll want something else. Okay. Pizza. Both want cheese pizzas. So we grab 2 cheese pizzas, and you would like a pepperoni pizza. While we're busy. Oh, wait, we can buy the phone. It's pepperoni pizza. I meant sausage pizza. We bought the phone. We bought the phone. Oh! We bought the phone. We bought the phone. We bought the phone. I'm waiting for it to ring. Just gonna sit and wait here till it rings. Come on. Ring. Ring, 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 ring. Oh. Ring, 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 ring. Hello? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that did happen. Oh, I saw Jimmy. Yes, never mind. Okay, hi, miss. Ooh, I like your flower. Your hair. Alright, wow. Like Mountain Dew. I'll give you a Mountain Dew. There you go. Run. Take a run, because you're gonna have a lot of energy. I meant to get a cheese pizza. I want the cheese pizza. Ring, ring, ring. Hello. Could I please have Fanta? Okay. And also pepperoni pizza. Delivered to house 3. Didn't say thank you. Alright. Fanta. He wanted Fanta. And I think sausage pizza. As I said, I have an amnesia. I think it might have been pepperoni. Would you move out of the way, sir? Okay. Ready to go. Let's hop on here. I hope this is what he wanted. Delivered to house 3. Is that over here? Here we go. House 3. Oh, eat. Yikes. Alright, you would like Fanta. Pepperoni pizza, I was correct. No problem. 40 happy customers, we can buy the next thing. Let's head back. Phone's gonna be ringing again, I know it. And we're gonna have like 20 customers. The VIP is upstairs. The VIP is upstairs. Why am I reading that? I don't know. I really don't know. Ooh. Just noticed these houses are nice. These people's houses are nice. I literally combined 2 things I was gonna say. These people's and houses. I combined those. Oh, we're gonna have $100,000 soon. Whoa, we have a lot of customers. And, of course, the phone is ringing. Hello. Hello. Could I please have pepperoni pizza delivered to house 4? I mean, sausage pizza. Oh, we already got sausage pizza. Like a cheese pizza. Here we go. We're gonna buy this quick. Oreo pizza! You don't know how much I love this. Oreo pizza is like my favorite. Okay, you would like Fanta. Fanta. And also sausage pizza. Anyway, I'll just give this one to you. I was going to give it to someone else, but I can't pick up 2 of the same things at once. So we have 1 and 4. 1 and 4. I don't know why I'm saying that. I feel like I'm... Oh, it says down in the bottom. Reward 4 customers? Oh, wait. We're at 100,005 cash. That's amazing. So when you do this, whatever number house you deliver to, what's the amount of customers you get? House 4. Here we go. Sorry, I was about to crash into your house. I know. Probably scared you. But it was really no problem. You know, I just got 4 happy customers. That means if we deliver to house 6, we'll get 6 happy customers. And if there was up to house 100,000, we'll get 100,000 happy customers. I'm just kidding. It would be cool if they actually expanded the map a little, though. Just because this is such a fun... Oh. Turn on lights when we hit X. Just because this is... As I was saying, just because this is such a fun game, I think they should totally add more. So, he would like a cola. I know I'm talking to someone on the phone first. Oreo pizza. Fanta and Oreo pizza. Okay, he would like a cola right here. I'm so busy today. It's a busy day. You know, those days. Fanta, you would like sausage pizza. And you would also like Oreo pizza. Ooh, our second order on Oreo pizza because the first one was on the phone. Okay, so on the phone guy, he would like Oreo pizza and a Fanta. Reward 4 customers. Oh, it only goes up to 4. We unlocked marshmallow pizza. Got them and the customer. Oh, you would like cheese pizza. I'll do your order quick, but then I gotta go. There you go. There's you go. There's you go. There you go. Well, we can't do this forever, so we're probably gonna end the video here. I don't know, I might do a part 3. I have a couple more things that we can buy, but let's just go deliver this to the house. We're gonna have like infinite things to buy. Actually, I'm gonna end it off here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a video. Have an awesome day. Bye guys, have an awesome day. Wow, I repeat things way too much.